If you have a new missed call, you'll see a missed call indicator with a counter in the middle of the display. You'll also see a flashing red light in the top right corner. To access the call logs, select Call History, and the screen refreshes. Across the top, you'll see All Calls, Missed Calls, Placed Calls. Use the navigation cluster to go to Received Calls and Forwarded Calls. On a highlighted entry, you can select Call to call the party back, or select Option and add the party to your contacts, block, or delete the entry. Select Cancel to return to the previous screen. Select the X below the navigation cluster, or back to return to the home screen.